Okay. What's up everybody? It's Saturday, it's tutorial time! So today we're going to be going into some more transition trick tips. We're going to be learning back disaster because it was the most highly requested on our post. So we're going to go into that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little bell so you're always the first to see our videos. Let's go learn some back disasters. So to get these backside disasters nice and consistent, nice and easy, you want to try and master first a back 180 on flat, a fakie rock on quarters, and definitely be able to kick turn. So we're going to break this video down into three main components: our approach, our position, and our execution. 8. So when you're learning backside disasters, I'd strongly suggest learning it on a smaller quarter. It's going to be a lot easier for you, that's a given. For the purpose of today's video, to make it a bit easier to see what I'm doing and all the angles, we're going to do it on the mini. So starting with approach, for back Ds, obviously you're going to be doing a back 180 into this trick, so a lot of people might think angle is better because then you get to turn less. The problem with this is if you come up at an angle and you try to get into your back D, it's more than likely going to start sliding, and if you're not prepared for that, that's going to happen. So to avoid that happening, the best thing to do is come up nice and straight out the coping. So that's going to be your approach. Straight out, turning, straight in. So for position, we're going to go quickly into foot position and then body position. Foot position's real easy. Front foot on the bolts, back foot on the tail. You want most of your foot on there so you've got a lot of control. Alright, this can get you all the way around. Hiya! So for body position, the first part as you're riding up the ramp is the pre-wind. Get you that throw round and your shoulders bring the board and the rest of your body round with them. So this pre-wind is the start, and then really open up and bring yourself round. This is going to help you so much. So we've done your approach, we've done your position in your body position. Now we're going into execution. The main way to do it and execute it properly is to keep your body in the ramp. This is one problem you may have, where you end up stood up on top of the ramp and you've got to try and make your way in. If you do it so that your shoulders are right in the ramp, kept tucked in, it's going to stop you from standing up on top and make your execution of this trick a lot better. So the last most important bit of this trick is getting these back wheels and trucks back up over the coping and into the ramp. You'll find at first a lot of these tricks are going to just get stuck here, and this is what we call hanging up. Okay, and if you hang up on this trick, then you're going to come into the ramp and the board will stay there. What you want to do is learn how to just lift those trucks like a little manual up over the coping and into the ramp. That's going to just get you doing all these tricks super clean. So if you haven't already, make sure, like I said at the start, you go learn fakie rocks properly, tapping them out and tapping them in. So back Ds are quite a hard one. You're not going to learn them just like that, but if you follow these steps, hopefully I've got you closer to doing them. Just give yourself a bit of time, have some patience. It'll all pay off in the end, I promise. Thanks for coming to watch this week, guys. Tune in next week for another trick tip tutorial. Comment below what you'd like us to do. Let's see it.